Sorean QBX is a two-seater electric quadricycle designed for both urban and rural mobility. It's a product of QBX Cycles, a company with nearly 20 years of experience in designing and manufacturing quadricycles. This vehicle is designed to allow quick movement on four wheels while being active, protected, and very energy efficient. The Sorean QBX is a small, lightweight four-wheeled electric vehicle classified as a quadricycle rather than a full-sized car. This allows it to bypass certain regulatory requirements for normal passenger vehicles. It is designed for agile mobility in both urban settings as well as rural roads. Its small size and maneuverability make it suitable for congested city streets. It seats two passengers, making it optimal for personal short-distance transportation and errands. Being electric means it has zero emissions and is more environmentally sustainable. This aligns with Sorean's overall strategy. The QBX model is likely one of Sorean's new product developments meant to open up additional revenue streams beyond just industrial services. The Sorean QBX is available in versions that can reach speeds of 25 km per hour and 45 km per hour, and it comes with a bodywork and cargo version. This innovation from France is based on urban and rural mobility. The Diego Hernando 6 Malawian Quadricycles Velomobil is the future of city travel. This innovative vehicle is a fully enclosed recumbent tricycle designed for urban environments. It offers a sustainable and efficient mode of transportation, boasting a streamlined design that contributes to its aerodynamic efficiency and urban maneuverability. The 6 Malawian Quadricycles is not only sleek and stylish, but also offers protection from the elements and a comfortable riding position. With a focus on sustainable travel, it may utilize eco-friendly technologies or materials, aligning with the growing trend of green transportation. Tailored for urban settings, the Velomobil incorporates features that enhance navigation through city streets, potentially addressing congestion and parking challenges. It's also very efficient and can travel up to 30 miles on a single charge. Truly, the Diego Hernando 6 Malawian Quadricycles Velomobil is a testament to the potential of sustainable city travel. The top secret V1 is a cutting-edge three-wheeled velomobile featuring a hubless electric bicycle design. This innovative vehicle combines the efficiency of an electric bicycle with the aerodynamics and enclosed structure of a velomobile. The hubless design eliminates the traditional hub and spoke system, contributing to a sleek and futuristic appearance. It is an enclosed recumbent tricycle with hubless wheels powered by an electric motor. The lightweight composite body weighs around 40 pounds, and its rear-wheel drive via a hubless in-wheel electric motor. The estimated range is 60 miles on a charge, and the enclosed cabin with a transparent canopy provides weather protection. The recumbent riding position is optimized for comfort and aerodynamics. Overall, the top secret V1 demonstrates an innovative application of Velomobil and electric vehicle technology in a DIY personal transportation project. It's an innovative design that combines the efficiency of a bicycle with the comfort and safety of a car. The hubless design gives it a unique and futuristic look. This vehicle was designed and built by an individual as a personal project. Snap is an ultra-lightweight two-seater pedal electric vehicle developed by Idealab in California. It was first unveiled in 2020. It has a futuristic teardrop shape and is made from a lightweight composite material. The entire vehicle weighs just 680 pounds. It is powered by human pedaling combined with a small electric motor. The pedal power provides most of the energy, while the electric motor gives a boost when needed. Top speed is 20 miles per hour when using pedal power alone. With motor assist, it can reach 28 miles per hour. Range is up to 35 miles on pedal power and up to 50 miles with occasional motor assist. Regenerative braking captures energy when braking and uses it to recharge the battery. Snap features DOT-approved lighting, turn signals, safety belts, and roll cage. The open chassis has room for two people in tandem seating. Custom body panels can be added for enclosure. Retail price starts at $5,000. Snap is designed to provide an eco-friendly alternative for urban commuting and short trips. It's an example of lightweight EVs leveraging human power. The Cyclospace is a unique vehicle designed by Nicholas Trubb. The Cyclospace is a range of active athletic vehicles. It's a multifunctional convertible tricycle designed for unemployed and street-employed people. The vehicle is equipped with pedals and is spacious enough to accommodate several people at once. It has a transparent roof that protects passengers from the weather. The Cyclospace is designed to be as simple as possible. The use of low-tech elements is intentional so that the user can repair the vehicle themselves in case of a breakdown. The vehicle travels at less than 30 km per hour, a speed that, according to its designer, is ideal for enjoying its poetic character. The Cyclospace weighs less than 100 kilograms. Pedal assistance is a useful option for long distances and areas with a high gradient. Strange-looking car uses pedals for low-carbon mobility. A French startup is developing a surprisingly compact, lightweight and modular pedal-powered vehicle made exclusive of bio-based materials launched by former automotive engineers. Midipile Mobility is a French company that focuses on the development and manufacturing of vehicles designed for the logistics of the last 10 kilometers. One of their notable creations is the 923, a vehicle manufactured in France to address the specific needs of this logistical challenge. Positioned as a sustainable alternative, the 923 is described as the optimal compromise between a bicycle and a car, aiming to reduce environmental impact significantly. The vehicle is eco-designed, boasting a footprint that is 10 times smaller than traditional alternatives. The company emphasizes its commitment to sustainable mobility goals, creating the next generation of electric quad bikes with options for 2 seats or cargo transport, adaptable to various weather conditions. Midipile Mobility's offerings are characterized as a vehicle and service solution, presenting a key-in-hand and low-carbon approach to address mobility challenges. The Kinner car is a human-powered vehicle with electric assistance designed for low-speed driving. It's primarily a human-powered vehicle, but it does have electric assistance to make low-speed driving easy. The Kinner car can reach speeds of up to 25 km per hour with electric assistance, and higher speeds can be achieved using muscle power. The Kinner car features a composite chassis and road bike wheels, providing a unique blend of exercise and practical transportation. It is very light and moves with very little effort due to its composite chassis and road bike wheels. Both seats have a crankset, so both passengers can pedal. The car also features an assistant motor with automatic gears. It has a comfortable driving position and offers a good view of the surroundings. The design aims to combine the benefits of a road bike with the convenience of electric assistance. The car is also equipped with various customizable options, including color choice, side windscreen, mirrors, lights, and blinkers integrated into the electric system. The Kinner car is still under construction, but the current prototype is 285 centimeters long, 100 centimeters wide, and has a 220 centimeters wheelbase. It can be legally classified as an electrically assisted bicycle in Europe. The project is based in Finland, and the company is currently in the process of manufacturing the first batch of cars. The dijker is a new type of vehicle. It has 4 wheels and a small steering wheel that you have to push to brake. It has pedals for the drive. These move back and forth in a straight line, left and right independently. The body consists of a handy undivided luggage compartment and a nose cover. Both can be taken off very easily. The dijker is a newly designed alternative for commuters who currently travel by car, motorcycle, or public transport. Thanks to the sitting position, you arrive at your destination rested and relaxed. Even with the front cover on, there is a lot of ventilation. The backrest is an open fabric. You can also hang a jacket over this. You are protected with the mini poncho between the boot and the nose cover. You can push with both legs at the same time and the weight is minimal. Acceleration from standstill is quick and at speed. The aerodynamics are helpful. You can also easily get in and out. Thanks to the open design of the vehicle, you'll never feel trapped on the road. You are well protected by the 4 strong wheels and the sturdy chassis. The dijker carries a design flag and striking colors for visibility. Furthermore, there are no brake handles and no handles are required for changing gear either. The adjustment is done by moving your toes backwards. Ride a dijker is a new experience. To ride a dijker is fun.